G'day guys, I'm naughty. I started the T-60. As you can see here, I was spending last night on it, and it's so detailed, this thing. Look at, I've started making the transmission, and it's so detailed. It took me ages to build it. Just that little transmission there, it's got like 7-8 parts in it, and I've got, the side bits to go on it there. But this thing is so detailed. I love it. Like, I'm going to take my time on this one. Just, gradually do it over time. But look at all the nuts and bolts on the inside. And then you go on the outside and you got more nuts and bolts. It's pretty cool. I love it. So, yeah, working on that. But more serious projects going on. I've got him in. So, my first crew guy in the Marder. And that's nearly done. So I'm getting the rust down now, just the final touches, which looks good. Now I should give some shout outs. Some people have been really good in the channel. I'll give a shout out to Anton, how are you mate? Ovi Schley, how you doing? The Miniature Painter, he's really cool. Greg Riley, you're a top bloke and a top modeler. And also Mod Kits, you're a really good bloke, you've been really nice, and there's others too. If I haven't mentioned you, I will in the next one, but you guys have been really good, and thanks for supporting me. Like, I've really had a good time with you guys. Yeah, so the Panzer IV, I've started detailing her up, so putting on the base colours before I do some dry brushing and get it all sorted out. Now I'll put some track rust on the tracks. I used AK's pigments. AK does have some alright products. Their pigment fixer and pigment is alright, so I used their track rust. This one's good too. This one I haven't been able to make myself. It gives that sort of white crusted rust look. That's a really good one. Get that, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. So yeah, all looking good. And yeah, just giving a shout out to the guys and just showing you what I'm doing tonight. I'll speak to you soon.